Hey there, I got a request for a video where the user wanted to know how you can change WordPress dashboard in his native language. Now, WordPress has a feature for localization with which you can have your native language WordPress setup. So you basically have to download the WordPress in your native language, or you can just use plugins like wp-native dashboard to convert only some part of your WordPress setup into native language. The I18N feature of WordPress will let you make use of this native language support. Now we will just download this plugin and see if we can make use of it. Okay, so let's just type it here. WP native dashboard, hit search plugins. After that it will show you here, install it, click OK. Click on activate plugin. Okay, our plugin is activated. Now let's just find our plugin settings so we can use it. I have too many plugins right now. Go to settings in your dashboard, then go to native dashboard link, click on it. It will take you to a page where you can modify the settings, like extend WordPress logon screen, enable template tag, extend profile settings, admin bar. Okay, so we will click on admin bar quick selector, translate front end admin bar using no, enable local. Okay, for now we'll see what languages do we have. Your WordPress installation currently support list of language at your dashboard. Only English is selected here. We can download some other versions that supports more languages, and from that we can just choose the language of our choice. So when we select multiple languages from here, it will be added to this top menu bar, and we will be able to use that. You can go to general and then for reading. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so we have so what do we have here is okay, so right now only one language is supported here, that's why there is no reading setting change. But in your case, if you have downloaded the WordPress I18N, then you're likely to have that option. Okay, so we will check I18N. Okay, so let's check this. Okay, so there are plugins for that. wp-config, which will provide users for multiple language option. You can also search for WordPress in your language. You can just use the instruction listed here and find the language attribute. Now we will do the same. Go for the editor from here. Okay, we'll find our WordPress config file, which is stored in WordPress wp-config file, and let's open it. Okay, let's just check it. I will define in GB, which is Great Britain English. Okay, so we have additional support here. Let's just go and check our native dashboard, how many languages are available. English is here, so we have WP English. You can change that to US if you want. Just refresh this page and you will find that the flag on the admin bar is changed to United States flag. That means the language on each of the admin pages is switched to US English, which is by default given by WordPress as well. As you can see, most of the Asian users get used to the British English, and that is one more reason you can set this to GB if you're from Asia, or you can stick to US too if you want, or don't do anything at all, just leave it this one blank. Just stop this and let's refresh it again. Okay, so you see that we have a British English. Okay, so whenever you do something which requires British English usage on your dashboard or rest of the WordPress setup, you can do so from wp-config file. Just edit the line, define wp-lang in underscore capital GB. You can also switch to other languages, like let's say we'll find some keyword for other language like Portuguese. Okay, so language codes are here. We'll go through them. Okay, so let's have one here, which is Marathi. This is my language. It should be displayed here. Okay, so MR is here. There should be IN in MR. If it shows some problems, you will have error. Let's just check if it shows in our native language. If it doesn't, that means we have problem. Most likely, if the installation doesn't come with the native language files, then you will have problem with that. In such case, just go back here and type this. Will bring back your original language. Okay, as you can see, the language is back. Now that is pretty much the simple way for you to change the language. Make sure that the language files for the dashboard are stored in WP content languages. If these files which ends with .mo file don't exist in that folder, that means you cannot use that language. In such case, you'll be able to only swap in between English US and English GB, which is Great Britain. Okay, so I hope this short tweak helps you. Make sure you have language files. The files which ends with .mo are stored in languages folder. If they are not there, then you have to download or get them for your WordPress setup. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helps. I will see you later. Bye.